Let me tell you something interesting about tech. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying ahead requires more than just skills. It requires passion, creativity, and dedication. I am Adeshawa, Community Manager here at Univelcity. Do you dream of a future in tech and don't know where to begin? At Univelcity, we offer 5 unique courses and 1 specialized program, from cybersecurity to product design to machine learning, front-end development, back-end development, and data science. Our expert instructors, cutting-edge curriculum, and a supportive community will guide you every step of the way. With Univelcity, you gain in-demand skills, career advancement opportunities, financial stability, and a lifelong network of peers and mentors, all at a price. Don't wait! Join Univelcity today to unlock your future in tech. Visit our website or send a DM today.